Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Streamio. Getting started is quite simple. First, visit the official Streamio website to download the application for your device. Once downloaded, follow the straightforward installation prompts. After installation, you will need to create a new account or log in if you already have one. This quick process ensures your viewing preferences are saved and accessible across all your devices, making your entertainment experience seamless and personalized from the very beginning. Once logged in, take a moment to explore Streamio's intuitive interface. You will find sections for movies, series, and your library. The real power of Streamio comes from its add-ons. Head over to the add-ons section to discover and install both official and community-developed options. These add-ons are essential as they provide the content sources, transforming Streamio into a comprehensive entertainment hub with thousands of titles at your fingertips. Finding your favorite content is incredibly easy. You can use the prominent search bar at the top to look for specific movies or series. Alternatively, browse through the various categories such as movies, series, and channels to discover new titles. Once you select a piece of content, Streamio will display available streaming sources provided by your installed add-ons. Simply choose your preferred source, and your selected show or movie will begin playing almost instantly. To enhance your Streamio experience, dive into the Settings menu. Here, you can customize various aspects, including language preferences, subtitle options, and playback quality, ensuring a truly personalized setup. Remember to regularly manage your installed add-ons, adding new ones or removing those you no longer use. For further tips, new add-on recommendations, and community support, consider exploring Streamio's online forums. Enjoy your tailored entertainment journey with Streamio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.